everyone. For today's recipe, we're going to be making breakfast pancakes. They're going to be with 2 different toppings. They're so fluffy and delicious. So let's get cooking. To start with our pancakes, I'm going to start with the dry ingredients first. You're going to need 400 grams of flour. You add to this 1 pinch of salt and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. I like to add to mine 2 tablespoons of sugar, and that's our dry ingredients, okay? For our wet ingredients, let me get my whisk. We are gonna add here 2 eggs, 500 mils of milk, 50 grams of butter melted, and I like to add to mine 1 lemon zest, okay? So whisk all of this together. Once everything is combined, we're gonna add our wet ingredients to our white dry ingredients. Okay. Make a little well, and rather than whisking, I'm gonna fold. Let me add this to my batter. And we're gonna fold all this together. After I fold this, I do whisk it because I like my pancakes to be nice and smooth. So once everything is partially combined, I use my whisk. So now that everything is combined together, I'm gonna whisk my butter to become nice and smooth with my whisk. So once you get to this consistency, nice and smooth, you're ready to make your pancakes. So let's get to frying them. So our pancakes are done. How I like to eat my pancakes with some fruit, I've got some banana. I've got the apple cinnamon that we cooked earlier, some strawberries and some berries, some varied ones. What I like to do is I take 3 pancakes. I'm using my hands, but they're washed, at a time, and I put it in a plate like so. With my apple, I like to add some banana. Okay, and let's add my apple with cinnamon. Okay, don't need to be very nice and neat about it. It's just roughly add it. And I like golden syrup on mine, so I add nice golden syrup on top. Well, enough. I don't know how much is enough for you, but for me, I like loads. On my second one, I like to use some strawberries. So let's make it pretty. And some berries. I like this mixed ones. Okay. And with this, I like some honey. So let's add some honey to this. And that's it. This is our breakfast pancakes. I hope you enjoyed our video. And if you have, please do not forget to subscribe and give us a like. And I'll see you next time.